Getting WestJet boarding pass online. In today's video, you are going to learn how to get WestJet boarding pass online. So let's get started. First, go to the WestJet official website and now log in. You can log in by using your credentials. As you can see here is the sign up option. If you do not have one account, you have to create a new account. Now, after entering all of your credentials, you just have to click on get flight. And now from here, you can see the boarding pass online download option. Just click on it and your boarding pass will be downloaded. You have another option, and this option is you can click on check-in, and in check-in you just have to add your reservation code or your ticket number. You just have to add these, and now you can download your boarding pass from here. You have another in the check-in option. Note that it's only available for 24 hours. Now you have another option. You can go to the manage trips option, and now you can go to the manage flights option. Now you have one important thing here. You can also reserve your seat from here. Now after doing that, you just have to enter your credentials here, and now the boarding pass will appear. Just click on the boarding pass and download it, and that's how you will be able to get your WestJet boarding pass online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.